Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Joy Karaoke and today I'm in Kamakis, just 3 kilometers from Eastern Bypass, and today I have this unique 3-bedroom hidden roof bungalow that is sitting on a plot of 40 by 80, and let's start the tour. Before we start the tour, I want to thank the developer who built this house for allowing us to come and showcase his project. This project is going for 10 million Kenya shillings, and I've just said it's 3 kilometers from Eastern Bypass, and this is what 10 million gets you. You get this front parking of 2 cars here, and on this side you can park 3 cars also. You get a sliding gate on that far. The plot comes with this electric fence, and this is our entry porch. It is a nicely done entry porch. I love how beautiful it is and how welcoming it is. And this is the door that leads you to your living space. Come in, let's tour the house. Welcome to your next home, and this is a sitting area that is very spacious. I love the lighting fixtures with the strip lights and a gypsum. You have 2 windows on this space that are lighting a space, and the developer made sure that you have this TV area that is also elegantly done, and the wall panels. And that's it about the living area. Coming this way, you have this wooden panel that separates your living and your dining area, and at this corner you have your shelved area where you can put up your flowers or anything that you would want. This is your spacious dining area. Comes with these gypsum and lighting features. I love this hand-wash sink that you can clean up when you guys are eating. This place is huge enough to fit a 10-seater dining set. I love the window. It's bringing so much lighting here. I love this tiling. Is complementing your dining area. I love it. Here is your bar area. You are having these downlighters. You can enjoy with your family here. And this is your spacious kitchen that comes with fitted cabinetry and enough working counters. You have a double sink here and a window. And as you can see, the kitchen is spacious enough for you to cook for your family. You have this added storage here, and where I'm standing is your place for your fridge. And that is it about the kitchen. This is your place for your cooker. You have this pipe here that will connect to a gas cylinder that I'll show you later. And this corner is where your pantry area is. I love it. It's very smart. From your kitchen, you have the laundry area that comes with a provision for your washing machine. And on my left is where you'll be hanging your clothes. You have this spacious backyard, and on that far end, you have a water tank there. And at that corner, you also have provision for your gas cylinder. check out the bedroom section. And one thing I love about this house is that the master bedroom has its own privacy, far from the other two bedrooms, and I want us to tour them. And we are going to start with this guest bedroom that is very spacious, comes with this wardrobe and a window to light up your space. Behind the door is where your washroom is. All bedroom comes en suite, and this is your second bedroom that is also massive. It is massive. I love how the natural lighting is in this house. You have this closet area that is from ceiling to floor. You have the water closet on that side that is uniquely done. I love the choice of the tiles. From bedroom 2, you have this hallway that you can decide to set up a console table here, or because it is huge, you can also decide to set up some family pictures, and it will be perfect. And this here is your common washroom, perfect for your guests. I love how spacious it is, and this is now the master bedroom. As you can see, you have the strip lights this side that is enhancing your hallway. Come now to the master bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is your massive master bedroom. This space is big enough to fit a king size bed, and as you can see, you have the lighting features here that is making a bedroom beautiful. You have this window, and through this window you can see your front yard. You have this closet that is big enough for you and your partner, and on this side is where your water closet is, that comes fitted with this basin, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower head, a place for your towel, and a window to ventilate your washroom. That is the end of the video. If you have enjoyed the tour, please make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you want to make this masterpiece your next home, please make sure you call that number on your screen. We will be happy to see you on the next video.